2012 Ford Mustang Boss 302, the Laguna Seca edition. This one, I've worked on only one other one, and it was actually the exact same color combo, but that one was pretty much tucked away in a garage by that owner. This one was actually used in the way that it was intended to be, meaning that he tracked it. Not sure how much he drove it on the street, but absolutely tracked this car and also made modifications to it. I'm not sure about all the details of the modifications, but the the suspension has been modified, the exhaust, I believe even the transmission. Not sure if it's just the clutch or if he actually changed the transmission. I also need to ask him about possible engine mods, but the car absolutely was tracked, and from what I understand, because of these modifications, it's a better handling car, better sounding, etc. So he brought it in for a paint correction, after 13 years of being used and not really being kept up with as far as detailing goes. It needed a paint correction. Unfortunately, before he started tracking it, he did not put PPF on it. So the car, as you can tell there, has plenty of rock chips, which is to be expected when you track a car, any car. So there's plenty of rock chip damage, but there's a reason for that. But now with the paint correction that I did, the car looks so much better compared to the way it came in, because it really wasn't, cosmetically wasn't looking that great. And now that he's putting it up for sale, he wanted it to look way more presentable. So we did a paint correction, cleaned it up, the engine as well, interior cleaning. Of course, you got the roll cage, you got the full harness. Let me see if I'm able to open the hood with one hand while I'm filming. I should be able to do that, I think, if I know where the damn lever is. Oh, there we go. Yeah, the engine I cleaned up was a little bit sandy and dusty, so I'm not sure about all of the modifications that he made to the engine, but I'm sure once it goes up for sale, he will mention that in his ad, and maybe he'll let me know, and I can let people know what he wants for it, and what was done to the car. There we go. So now it's ready. Like I said, 2012 Laguna Seca, and paint corrected and ready to be put up for sale.